Kasee no so na yenko yenuanom a yesan AKOSOMBO sutade na ye bienti enne bebi obi di ne ti beto ayeden ama won nsam na ye kono ton mansin no emu wo mo wo ho so akwa ho ye hia mu pa nsuo no dodo no a se won mu nya pade enti wo mo frɛ se ye moa wo mo emoa wo mo ade achi ade esa bi nipa no dodo no abi ebeka ho na nei wo mo ehunu se tanker owners and drivers union won ya de abeye wadoya Adom TV etwasui
Sesedi enipa bese empimdu ena wo ho aka e wo Northton mansini mu ya wo manfo ho Mepe ena wo ho akire wo mo pa de wo hia ene se enipa bi no ba beye wo mo adoye se beye awasesene mu ebeye ngai wo mo Tanker Owners Union ene Drivers Association afato ho so akoma wo mo achede a super wo de emo bag empem 9 ene ahenum 4500 bottle water empem 2000 sardine carton adusia anwanso carton adusia ena akoma manfo wo nkura wodo a ewo Northton mansini no emu asese enye sa ne menkuwa no hia ne mepe sebe ya wo ho enkyere wo mo bebre twetwe for panyina wo Tanker Owners Union no eye Ignatius Kokudo oni Adom Kasee twetwe sam komoyi.
The only way now you let me abua microphone na abua yenuanoma ana abua yenuanoma omu ye nyina ye adwuma baako na omu every those areas no is to show that type of sympathy to appreciate exactly the extent of the problem so that at least so who say tanker owners no enye tanker petrol pen na mo distribute bibisa na yeso yetumi boa
eno echi mrashe dwani wo Northton samokujo to ablakwa echiremu a
yeda omase nyamensho on behalf of the chiefs and the people of Northton, your victims over 10,000 victims due to the spillage by VRA of the AKOSOMBO and pond dams are created this humanitarian crisis. There were 20 camps, they say, and Dodona Ejaneya, Insione Ban Omo Janeya, Omon to me and Fabia, Omon to me and Omo properties. They are just the Omosha and Omo, Tomuni Bibia. And these donations are very, very welcome, very timely, and very crucial.
Eniani wo de koma o manfo wa veime Mepe eni adidome wonum bi enya sai yedie mu chefa eni Adom Kasee atwetwe sam komoyi.
Yeni duane fufu nkoda ye kita no yeni atare na fashe omo nti ebra mo te omo da yati no mo mai.
So yesterday too 4 of us were sick. Then the Ghana Health Service also came. They took them to hospital. They take in charge of their bill, everything, their medicine. They took in charge of it.